Alexis, is the power out?
Yep.
Wait, what? It's hot. It's too hot. I can't. It says no. I can't.
Christian,
no.
it's gonna be okay. Do you have a home backup power plan in case power outages hit this summer?
Who are you talking to? Who's in here?
Don't worry about it. Welcome back to another episode of Tiny Stuff, where we share cool stuff for tiny homes, small spaces, off-grid living, and outdoor adventuring.
And today we're excited to share Jackery's Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit. Not only is this kit powerful enough to power your tiny house or RV, but it's also a really good backup solution for a regular size home.
Here we have the 4 kilowatt hour version of the kit, which comes with the Explorer 2000 Plus portable power station, an expansion battery, 2 200 watt SolarSaga panels, and 2 adapter cords for the panels, a transfer switch, an AC adapter for wall charging, and a 12-volt adapter for car charging.
The Explorer 2000 Plus power station has a 2000 watt-hour capacity, but it can expand with batteries like this up to 24 kilowatts. Isn't that insane?
It really is.
Yeah.
And it's like it really stretches what portable power station means.
Yeah.
Because yeah, this one's portable.
It's portable because it's got this on it and wheels.
But with all those batteries, it's a little clunkier.
Yeah, just a little bit. But you can lift them up. I mean, you can pick them up and carry them.
But for home backup power, you don't really need to move it around much. Yeah.
No, just clean behind in the garage every once in a while. So in this 4,000 kilowatt kit, it has 3,000 watts of output power. So if you get another 2000 Explorer Plus and connect the two, you actually have a 6,000 watt output, which is enough power to run about 99% of all devices, including portable AC units, refrigerators, fans, and it can all be powered at the same time.
And in the unfortunate event of a power outage, like during a heat wave this summer, those are just the kinds of things you want to keep running.
Yeah, absolutely. Or I'll be digging a hole in the yard to try to get cool. I don't know.
He's a hot guy.
Yeah.
The expansion battery that comes with the 4 kilowatt hour kit is the Jackery Battery Pack 2000 Plus. It offers another 2,000 watt hours. So that doubles the overall capacity of this solar generator. So again, the kit comes with 2 200 watt SolarSaga panels. And this is an area where Jackery has greatly improved over the last couple of years, even the last year and a half. So now the panels are bifacial.
Yeah, there's one right here. That means it's got 2 faces.
That means both sides of the solar panel are collecting sunshine to turn into power. One side's more powerful than the other, but every bit helps.
Yes, it does.
So now these panels can achieve up to a 24.3% efficiency rate, and that's on the very high end for panels with monocrystalline solar cells like these.
So what does this mean? What does it mean?
The solar efficiency?
Yeah.
That's how much sunlight the panels convert to usable energy. In a heat wave, 2 things are pretty much guaranteed.
Heat and wave.
Yes, extremely hot temperatures and abundant sunshine. Fortunately, the SolarSaga panels can withstand temps up to 149 degrees. Both the Explorer 2000 and the expansion battery can safely charge in high temperatures as well.
All that sunlight is great for keeping all this stuff topped off. You want to have that power when you need it. But how quickly can the batteries be recharged?
Well, the Explorer 2000 and the expansion battery can each separately be recharged in less than 2 hours, and together about 4 hours, with, here's the catch, 6 200 watt SolarSaga panels. So that's a lot. It's amazing that it can receive 1,200 watts of solar.
Yeah, that's a lot. That is a lot to be pushing into these guys.
But with the 2 included in the kit, it will take about 14 hours to fully recharge. Fortunately, it only takes 4 hours to recharge to 100% with AC wall charging. And that's because the input power is 1,400 watts. That's a lot of wattage being pumped into these babies.
So it might be a good idea to invest in 6 of the 200 watt SolarSaga panels just to keep it fully operational during a power outage.
And to keep everything super simple when the power does go out, you want this transfer switch.
This guy right here.
This comes with one of the versions of the 4 kilowatt hour kit. And this thing's incredible because it's a whole home solution. So if the power goes out, all you gotta do is come over here and flip a switch, and now you can enjoy power from any outlet in your home.
So we will be putting this transfer switch in the bedroom next to the electrical panel. So I'm gonna need a 30 amp power cord. So this one is a TT30P to L530R that will connect the solar generator to the transfer switch. So this part you can totally do yourself. You will need to hire an electrician to install the transfer switch, but fortunately it comes pre-wired, so the electrician won't have to do much work, which will save you some money. But be prepared, because it could cost you between $500 and $1,500, depending on where in the world you live. Once you install it, you can enjoy power just like you had been. So in a regular house, inside the breaker box, there's between 20 and 50 breakers, depending on how much stuff you have in your house. And each breaker goes to a specific thing, like your downstairs outlets or your refrigerator. So with this transfer switch, you have the option of choosing the 6 most important things in your house, like your refrigerator or your outlets downstairs. But remember, a house is at 120 volts for the most part. But if you have an electric dryer or an electric stove, that's at 240. So this is not going to run those specific items.
Oh, that's unless you purchase a second Explorer 2000 Plus and connect them, because then you can have 240 volts.
Ooh. The transfer switch comes with a manual that has a super helpful chart about residential wattage. So this chart provides a general idea of how many watts various household appliances use, and what the transfer switch can actually handle. The Smart app is also very helpful for managing the transfer switch and the entire 2000 plus solar generator system. You can customize your power options and utilize priority power management.
So when you're trying to figure out what the system can actually run and for how long, you need to know about watts and watt hours. And it can be really confusing when you think about those two terms.
Yep.
In a nutshell, a watt hour is a unit of energy equal to 1 watt of power sustained for 1 hour. For appliances, watt hours are a way to convey how much electricity they use per hour. If you want to figure out how long this can run a particular appliance, you need to know its watts. Fortunately, you can typically find this on the appliance itself or in the user manual. But sometimes if you can't find it, what I do anyway is Google it. And on a product page, like a product sales page, they'll typically have that info in the specs. Jackery has a super helpful watts to watt hour calculator on their site that's going to help you figure out the running time for various appliances. So you just enter the wattage of your appliance and it will tell you about how long you can run it with the 2000 plus power station. A portable AC unit, for instance, uses about 1200 watts, so the power station by itself can run it for about an hour and a half. But with the expansion battery, you can double the runtime. That's because the expansion battery takes the 2000 watt hours up to 4000 watt hours. So that tool can help you plan how to manage your power usage when thinking about a potential power outage.
When it comes to choosing a backup power solution for your needs, this is a great option because if your initial estimate is off on the power usage you might use in a backup situation, you can always add a battery to it.
Yeah, it's crazy. You could go from 4 kilowatt hours all the way up to 24, which is an insane amount of power.
Yeah, that's mind-blowing. And a great thing is the kit also comes with a 5-year warranty.
So if you're considering getting a Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus kit, now's the time.
Seriously.
Because this kit typically goes for $5,200, but now you can get it for just $3,300.
$3,300.
Or even less.
That's crazy. If you're thinking about pulling the trigger on this thing, do it now. For serious.
Jackery's mega deals are starting right now. Enjoy discounts up to 50% off now until July 23rd and use our exclusive discount code to save an extra 5% off. See the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Instagram for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.